Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to share comments on Instagram story. Now you can share a comment that you have got on your piece of content as a story. Now what do I mean by this? First, let's say I have this post right here, and if I go ahead and click on the comments, you will see that this is one of the comments. Now, if you want to share this as a story with that piece of content, all you have to do for an Android device is to long press on the comment, and then you will get this option where you can add it to your story. If this option is not available, you are not using the most updated version of Instagram, so go ahead and update it. And once you've done that, this option should be available for you to use. After this, just click on add to story, and as you can see here, we now have the comment with us with the post, and you can put this up as a story, and this is how it'll look. Now you can do this for any comment or any post that you have, so it all comes down to your choice. And yeah, this is pretty much it on how to share comments on Instagram story. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.